सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अंतरिम जमानत दी है और ये कहा है कि उनको जो है इस मैटर में अंतरिम जमानत दी जाती है और जो इशू है सेक्शन 19 का और नीड फॉर अरेस्ट का उसको जो है रेफर किया गया है लार्जर बेंच में।
अभी सीबीआई केस में भी केजरीवाल अंदर जेल में है, तो क्या ये एंटिम बेल जो मिला तो अभी सीबीआई केजरीवाल जी अभी जेल में रहेंगे कि बाहर आ सकते हैं? क्या है?
केजरीवाल जी अभी कस्टडी में रहेंगे क्योंकि सीबीआई की बेल अभी पेंडिंग है।
Can you explain in English about this?
The CBI bail is still pending, so until or unless he was granted bail in that, he will remain in custody till that time.
So, आप इस जजमेंट को किस प्रकार से देखते हैं?
This is a victory. This is a great judgment, and it is a very historical judgment.
No, the court basically observed that insofar as his arrest is concerned, there are certain aspects on necessity of arrest, whether it was necessary or not, legal aspects, which have to be examined by a larger bench. So they have not finally pronounced on that. But they said Mr. Kejriwal has undergone a large period of incarceration already. He has stayed in jail and therefore directed his release on bail immediately in the Enforcement Directorate matter.
And court has also referred matter to larger bench. What is that?
So therefore the question is ED arrest under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. There is a section 19 which has a certain threshold of arrest, which is like you have to have a prima facie, you have to have a view that the person is prima facie guilty. Now in addition to that, is there a requirement of a necessity of arrest, which is a classical, under classical criminal law, that is a requirement. Does that also superimpose itself on the section 19 requirements is a question that the court has referred to a larger bench, which a larger bench will decide.
Will Mr. Kejriwal be released today?
No, so in the ED matter, he's been released now. But as you are aware, after the trial court had granted him bail, the CBI had also arrested him. So now in the CBI matter, although the allegations effectively overlap in both of them, because in fact the ED argued the CBI's case also. But nevertheless, technically there is a separate case which exists. That also bail petition has already been moved in the High Court. And that bail we should, its hearing is on 17th of this month. And that is not a merits bail. It's a standard bail. Unlike Section 45 PML, there is no requirement of assessing the matter on merits and then only rejecting or accepting a bail. So we will see what happens in that. But after this, we are quite optimistic that since that is not a merits bail, he should, even in the CBI matter, get relief very soon.